you all doing? Welcome back to JDPHOTOFILMS. Today's video is a little bit different. Today I'm going to unbox something really good. But before that, I'm going to introduce who is with me right now. Hasmukh bhai is taking the video for me. And behind me is my dad. Kemcho dad?
Hi.
If you don't know what he does, he is a lawyer and he is a notary in Surat. If you guys have anything to deal with legal stuff, contact my dad. Or even contact me, I'll contact you with him. So yeah, it's all good. So right now I'm driving from Surat to Valsad and I'm going to buy RONIN-S for my 1DX Mark II. I have been waiting for this for a long time and finally it's arrived. So the guy called me up and I'm going to pick it up, and probably as soon as I reach there I'll start unboxing it and I'll show you how it feels on hand and I'll review. So keep watching the video. Cheers. Hasmukh bhai se.
Acha.
So right now we are at Sonali Photos in Valsad.
In
right?
Valsad, exactly.
And this guy, his name is Nilu bhai and he's the best dealer here. And we have ordered this thing from him. So we'll be unboxing it now and we'll see how it goes in the 1DX.
Just let us see what in this.
Let's see what's inside.
What is inside. This is also cables.
Yeah.
This one is charging plug for bat.
Manfrotoni plate.
Release plate.
Release plate. બંનેમાં ચાલશે. 8 hours, 8 to 12 hours, I don't know. Okay, so this is the motor for Ronin 1DX. આની અંદર જશે. થઈ ગયું?
ફિટ થઈ ગયું.
અચ્છા અહીંયા
લોક છે.
ઓકે. So that's balance without even turning on. So that's 1DX Mark II. This is the first time I've turned on the RONIN-S on 1DX. Oh, smoothness to you. Almost home now. We put the 1DX on RONIN-S and we started it. We did a pretty good job on balancing it because Hasmukh bhai was with me. He uses crane too on 1DX, so now he's going to buy it RONIN-S. It was pretty easy and I will give 5-star for RONIN-S for building a perfectly good quality gimbal for 1DX, and I'll be using it for my next shoot. And I'll show you how it feels to shoot the video as soon as I go there. So after this I will be vlogging you from Leh Ladakh. Tonight I'll be flying at 9:30. Around 9:30 is my flight from here to Delhi, and from Delhi to Leh Ladakh. So I'll be reaching there at 5 o'clock in the morning, and from there I'll shoot some video and share with you guys. So keep watching my vlogs. Again, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please click the red button and subscribe my channel, like this video. And please comment if you have any questions regarding RONIN-S and 1DX Mark II. I'll keep and upload my video as soon as I shoot another one. Till then, see you guys. Bye-bye. Okay.